Please like and subscribe our channel so that you can get regular updates. How to differentiate between false and not given, Part 1. If 100% word is used in the question, but passage has less than 100% word, it is false. Example, 100% words, everyone, all, must, fact. Less than 100% words, almost everyone, many, may, a belief, a myth. Check whether there are time frequency words in the question. Example, always, usually, sometimes, rarely, never. Now match the time frequency words of question and passage. If they do not match, mark it false. www.onlineieltspreparation.com. Email, sacaid@gmail.com. Mobile no, +91 to 9,229,867,353 WhatsApp.